Hey everybody, it's Pastor Scott Harper with Be in Health. I want to personally invite you to the City of Refuge. Maybe you wanted to come to For My Life but didn't think you could afford it. Maybe finances were too tight. City of Refuge was designed specifically for you. Right near the end of the year, it's a great time to get your heart right, and it's our way of sowing back into each of you to help you along this journey. Pastor Henry, when he first designed City of Refuge, took it out of Numbers. And in Numbers, there was a place in a city that people go they were struggling, trying to get things right. They had a refuge, a safe place to go just to get prepared. This is a great opportunity for you as well. See, City of Refuge is a totally complete For My Life retreat. All the foundational insights are there, the Father's love ministry, the hands-on ministry, all the things you need to get your heart right, just to get closer in your relationship with God is there, but without the tuition. Now I gotta tell you, space is limited, so we need you to register in advance. We normally have 2 City of Refuges at the end of the year with a walkout in between in December. So check the link below, get registered, hope to see you soon.